Goblins. Have you been daydreaming about parasitically impregnating a human host? Are you tired of being called a little freak by people who are technically correct? Have you been banned from at least 3 taverns for making an unauthorized contribution to the perpetual stew? Do you crave the putrescent wet slap of forbidden affection? Then call 1-900-GOBNOB. That's 1-900 GOB KNOB. Our certified bog temptresses are crouched in barrels, caves, and abandoned drainage tunnels across the realm, waiting for your call.
Oh, tell me where you buried the gold, you dirty little cave rat.
Count your stolen coins for me slowly.
Ooh, you wanna go raiding together?
You've been a very bad goblin, and your riddles are ridiculously easy to solve.
And maybe tonight, if you're lucky, she'll gob on your knob for only 299 schmeckles a minute. Must be 169 years or older. No refunds, and absolutely no else. Call now. Call now.